Hi guys, good morning. Come with me for maintenance. So apparently my nail tech has decided to do me that thing. He is keeping me waiting. Mordecai, you better come with a very nice apology because the last time I checked, I came 15 minutes late and you had already moved on to the next client. Yeah. I've stayed here for like about 20 minutes, almost 30. And I have called you. Seems you're still in the house. Such a turn out of Kasangabi. Better come with an apology. Sisi tulikubaliana 7:30.
Hata ukikuwa unanipigia simu hii ni kujichangamsha tu sauti. Hello.
Najua
Kuambia
tangu ni disappoint nigemea mabawa. Mimi sipendi disappointments.
ulianza kujua disappointment na maana si ndio?
Hapana. Mordecai, uliniweka 7 hours. Uliniweka 7 hours. Na hata uko apologize. Hey. Alafu mimi kuchelewa 20 minutes unani replace.
Mimi kureplace nilikuwa nakupigia simu oshiki. Sasa unajua.
Uja ukunipigia. Unataka tu check.
Napigia simu oshiki unaonyesha.
Uja wewe nipigie mdokacha uongo.
Sasa hapo kwa nini nitakuwa naambia tulianza.
Guys, Mordecai amesema he's the prize. Anakuja anakuja 1 hour late. 1 hour.
Akuambia I'm very sorry guys, I'm very sorry. You know you get it.
You better do a good job.
I will. That's mandatory. That's mandatory.
Acha tuone kinyo utafanya. Progress. Nishatengezwa pia miguu. So I will show you guys. Weko soda. Weko soda. Imagine moto unaweka
tu hivyo mwingine.
Jamani, unataka kunitoa manyonya. Hii ni maji ya ya miguu.
Ya mkono.
Unaanza na mikono ama miguu?
Ujayo kuogelea kwa hot spring.
Natoa wapi hot spring? Nachomeka.
Ukisheki maji kwa hot spring na kuchoma. Hizi ni water.
Ngoja. Ongeza baridi.
Nionyeshe hiyo picha nimenionyesha ile tunafanya.
Simekuwa hii ama tubadilishe? Mimi nasia tubadilishe.
Tulisema tunafanya.
This is the Inspo, but a different shade of pink. I'm going for this shade of pink. My hands are done. Yeah, so tuko kwa pedicure. Just like that. I'm interested in how people like that. Different trying to make ends meet. Thank you so much. And I also got notification when I was.
Hata iko hapo.
Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Love you feels so sure when I'm with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you makes me if they try to break you down, I shoot. They can never end the same. That matchup is the last if you down. I could take you on a cruise if you down. I might put our ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down.
Sasa niletea mimi kwa shida na
We are done.
When I attention, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say, I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, hold me down, hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say, I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down, hold me down, hold me down. 'Cause if you're down, I can take you on the cross if you down.